like to make an order for pickup.
Yeah, what's the name for you?
A medium stuffed crust pepperoni pizza, stuffed crazy bread,
Okay.
and that's it.
That'll be ready in about 15 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
Bye.
Bye. Well, I'm gonna go get some pizza. Gotta go. Almost pizza time.
The Sean.
It's not ready?
I'm here for a pickup. Ordered pizza under the name of Mike. We have no order for Mike. No, but what happened to my order? I don't know. Let me go check in the back. There was an order made, but it was not made. Yep.
Buddha wants to tell you something about the cookie you got her.
Yuck.
Oh.
Yuck.
It's yucky?
Yeah.
Damn. Once again, more gates. Did we leave Edwin in the car?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
I want to wait here. I want to wait here.
You do? Do you miss Edwin?
I do.
We dropped him off.
Don't drop him off. I missed him. I want him.
Why?
Don't drop him off.
Why?
You miss Edwin?
I want him.
He's here, baby.
I want him in my home.
He's sleeping.
I sleep with him.
You're gonna go to bed right now?
With him.
He's on the bed.
The bed. He did the bed.
So now that we ate pizza, I tried to have a nap, it didn't work. Now we're gonna clean the house. We just cleaned the living room and we gotta go clean somewhere else. Let's go. Did some house cleaning, and now I'm just gonna have a quick coffee break.